Naomi Home presents the Foldable Sleeper Convertible Chair Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To get started, install 2 legs on each arm rest. Next, connect the 2 arm rest onto the chair base by sliding the buckles tightly. Finally, roll the chair base underneath the chair bed. To convert your chair into a lounger, just pull out the chair base and lift up the top. To change from a lounger to a bed, simply push the back rest to the front and gently pull down. And there you have it. Your foldable sleeper convertible chair is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.